On the 1st of August, Slovakia handed over the first batch of previously promised Zuzana 2 self-propelled artillery units to Ukraine. The information was shared by the Slovakian publication Dana SAU. We are talking about 2 installations. Slovak Prime Minister Ludovit Odor was present at the ceremony. In total, the contract includes the transfer of 16 SAUs worth 90 million euros. The project is sponsored by Denmark, Norway, and Germany. New deliveries of UAS are expected to begin shortly. The last batch of Zuzana 2 should be delivered in early 2024. Zuzana 2 is a Slovak self-propelled artillery unit, which is a modification of the Dana SAU. It is built on a TATRA 8x8 wheeled chassis. The vehicle is equipped with a 155 mm howitzer with a 52 calibre barrel length and a maximum range of 41 kilometers. The weight of the howitzer is 32 tons. The machine is equipped with an automatic loading system that allows it to fire 6 rounds per minute. Zuzana 2 is operated by a 4-man crew. By the way, the AFU has been using Slovak artillery units since the beginning of the full-scale invasion of Russia.